Hey everyone, in this video, we will be showing you how to replace the pump in a Mr. T-1 pretreatment machine. Now, one of the first signs that you can identify that your T-1 is in need of a new pump is if there is no suction occurring on the intake tube. Another way to check is by removing the top connection of the tube and seeing if there is a buildup of pressure when disconnected. If there is no pressure, then you possibly may need a new pump. Now, to replace the pump, first make sure to have the T-1 properly shut off, and then unplug the machine. Next, remove the intake tube from the top lid by pressing on the circular lever around the insert, and then gently pulling the tube out. Identify the 8 screws on the top of the lid, and go ahead and remove all of them. Once removed, carefully lift the lid off the top, and then remove the tube that is connected on the inner side of the lid using the same technique from earlier. First step is to identify where the pump is located. Once you locate the pump, remove the 2 tubes that are on either side of the pump. Next, identify these 3 items. First, undo the wire holder by hand. Then carefully cut the zip tie that's holding the wires, making sure not to damage any of the wires. Finally, go ahead and detach the connector. The last step is to locate the 4 screws around the pump that are holding it down. Once located, remove them. After all the screws have been removed, carefully remove the pump from the unit and replace it with the new pump. To install the new pump, reverse all the steps that you just took to remove the pump. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching.